how to change account type on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your account type on the Cash App. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to change your account type on Cash App or using Cash App, what you need to do is open up Cash App. There are two types of accounts on Cash App. One is a personal account, the other is a business account. So basically if you want to switch to, let's say, a personal account from a business account, from business to personal, which means vice versa, you want to open Cash App, just tap the profile looking icon from the top right hand side, and then over here you'll find the option called business info. Now in my case I already switched to a business account, that is why I'm seeing business info button. So if you have a business account, just tap on business info over here, you'll find the option called switch to personal account, and then you'll be able to switch back to personal account. But if you have a personal account and then you want to switch to business account, you have to go to personal, and then here you'll find the option to actually switch to business account, and then just like that, in that way you can change your account type on Cash App. That is it for today's video on how you can change your account type on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.